Let's go back here. And another thing is that it has a lot of audio inside of the new Express experience. You can import your audios, or you can even record your voiceover. So, for example, let's click on that. I am just going to give permission to access my microphone, and let's start recording. Let's say, let's go back here. Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Adobe Character Animator. And in this video, I'm going to show you how can you export using the green screen effect. Enjoy. Let's click on finish recording. And as you would see, I have easily create a video recording on easily created a video voiceover inside of Adobe Express without needing anything. So that one, you can easily create voiceovers. You can easily add stock video or audio. Let's click on that. It will enable you to create and preview audio inside of this experience. Let's go back here and close this.